What's up guys, Jim here. So today we are flying from Lewis to Rockford for a maintenance flight, and then right on back. So I hope you guys enjoy the flight. This is probably the first video you'll have with the
Lewis Tower 20540, hold it 20, we're ready for takeoff.
Number 20540 Sierra Lewis Tower, the wind 1607, runway 20 clear for takeoff.
Runway 20 clear for takeoff, 20540.
Lewis Tower, Sky 1614, holding short 20, ready to go. Roger.
Alright, so this airplane's getting its autopilot work done, just like my last maintenance flight to Rockford. We're going IFR both ways today.
Sky 11614, wind 150 at 7, runway 20 clear for takeoff. Turn right, heading 280.
Right heading 280, clear for takeoff 20540, or correction, 11614. Down.
Lewis Tower 220 to Quebec, holding short of 20, ready for takeoff.
220 to Quebec, roger.
Alrighty.
Five four Sierra, frequency change approval, see ya.
Frequency change approved, 20 proper Sierra, thanks.
Skyhawk 614, contact departure, we'll see ya.
Over to departure 614, thank you. Chicago departure, Skyhawk 11614, 1,500, climbing 3,000.
Skyhawk 11614, Chicago departure, ident, climb and maintain 4,000.
1,000 and identic, 614.
502, 2300, 3,000. So Lewis, midway altimeter 2974.
2974, your first half was blocked.
Southwest 8502, 2700 for 3,000. Southwest 8502, Chicago departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 12,000, and fly heading at 220. 12,000, 220 on the heading Southwest 8502. Number 614, maintain 4,000.
4,000, 614.
Number 614, contact approach now 133.5.
33.5 for 614, thank you. Chicago departure, Skyhawk 11614, 2,900, climbing 4,000, heading 280.
Gas 11614, Chicago approach at altimeter 2974.
2974, 614.
Airman ILS, runway 1 out of service.
Attention all aircraft, 5G node is in effect for Rockford Airport. Further information, contact flight service frequencies. Flash contact information, India. Rockford Airport information, India, 1754 Zulu, wind 1203, visibility 0, ceiling 1,300 overcast, temperature 6, 2.3, altimeter 2976. RNAV approaching use, landing and departing runway 19. Notice airman ILS, runway 1 out of service. Attention all aircraft, 5G node is in effect for Rockford Airport. Further information, contact flight service frequencies.
348, level at 3,250 heading.
Executive 348, departure radar contact. Rockford Airport information, India, 1754 Zulu, wind 1203, visibility 10, ceiling 1,300 overcast, temperature 6, 2.3, altimeter 2976. RNAV approaching use, landing. November 614, turn 10 degrees left.
10 left, 614.
Heading southwest 1930.
November 657, traffic is 8 miles east of your position, westbound level at 4 is Skyhawk.
Roger, we'll be looking 657.
November 614, traffic 12 o'clock at about 8 miles maneuvering in the hold, level at 3, and type is a Skyhawk.
Search at 614. Alright, so they're vectoring me way around Chicago airspace. I'm assuming they're going to probably switch me to Rockford here as soon as I pass this guy in the hold. And then
9 Tango Tango, flighting 160.
Heading 160, 9 Tango Tango.
And then Rockford's going to screw me all up as well, because they're going to have to put me on that course localizer 19er.
November 614, Connect Rockford approach 121.0.
121.0 for 614, thank you. Rockford approach Skyhawk 11614, heading 270, 4000.
11, Skyhawk 11614, Rockford approach, Rockford altimeter 29er 73. Advise when you have the weather at Rockford and your approach request.
2973, we have India, and we'd like either the RNAV or the localizer, the back course localizer for 19er.
Alright, November 11614, it's going to be the RNAV to runway 19. I believe the localizer for the back course is currently out of service, so expect the RNAV runway 19. I'll have it turn northbound for you in about 8 miles.
Expect the RNAV 19, that would make sense because the ILS is one is out. Thank you. 614. Alright, so for procedure, select approach. RNAV 19er. Let's go with vectors for now. Alright, so we'll start briefing them. So I'm looking at the Alpha Lima 954 approach plate, the R9er into Rockford.
And Diamond 8 to your opposite, the full stop at Janesville.
Until the 26th of this month.
Copy that, thanks.
First course is going to be 118. Let's get them so I can just punch that in. Pins are going to be straight in where they do not have LPV. We're going to be 1039. 1040 is pins. We're going to load it. Alright, so approach course is going to be 188. Runway landing length is going to be 8,099 feet. Touchdown elevation is going to be 736. Airport elevation is 742. ATIS is going to be 12. We already have the ATIS. We're going to approach for towers next. It's going to be 118.1.
Rockford approach, Archer 344 Delta, 2,300, climbing 3,000, heading 270. November 344 Delta.
This approach is going to be climbing 2,500, component and hold. There's that whole traffic that's holding. Oh, we passed them already. There's a Seminole coming at us.
Number 344 Delta, your radar contact is northwest of Janesville Airport. I show you 2,500.
This will be, let's go vectors for the ILS, runway 4. Continue present heading, maintain 3,000.
Radar vectors for the ILS 4, continue present heading, maintain 3,000, Archer 344 Delta.
Number 11614, turn right heading 350.
Right, 350, 614.
And 614, there's traffic just off your right side, 2,800 indicated, appears eastbound.
Inside, it's a Seminole, 614.
Copy.
First off, it's going to be no lower than 2,500 until Katra. If we have to do a procedure turn, it's no 2,500 to 6,000. After Katra, it's down to 1,280 until Junup, and after Junup, it's down to minimum.
Approach Castle 213, level 6,000. We have weather notice for Monroe.
Castle 213, Rockford approach, Rockford altimeter 2973, say approach request at Monroe. Nor 11614, how will this approach terminate?
We're full stop, 614.
Full stop, thanks. Archer 344 Delta, turn left heading 220, vector for sequence into Janesville.
220, Archer 344 Delta.
Or 11614, turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 2,500.
270, 2,500, 11614.
Number 11614, 6 miles from Cagra, turn left, heading 220, maintain 2,500 until established on final approach course, clear GPS RNAV, runway 19 approach.
220, 2,500 still established, clear for the RNAV, runway 19 approach into Rockford, 11614.
Castle 213, turn left heading, let's go 230.
230, Castle 213.
Number 11614, contact tower 118.1.
18 to 11614, thank you. Rockford Tower, Skyhawk 11614, just outside Cagra, 2,500 on the RNAV, runway 19.
Cessna 11614, Rockford Tower, runway 19, cleared to land. And can you report the bases?
Full land, 19er, and we'll do our best, 614, we're going to the advanced place.
Correct, thanks.
Bases 1,800.
Roger, thanks.
For clear land, rolling at 19.
Minimum.
Runway inside, landing. 19er is clear land.
Cessna 614 at pilot's discretion, make a 180 on the runway, back taxi, right turn on Foxtrot, Juliet 2 parking, remain this frequency.
Back taxi 19er, make the right turn on Foxtrot, Juliet, to remain this frequency for 614.
New tower open up at Lewis yet?
It is. Been open since the 29th. It's a growing pains, but it's nice to have.
23 years later.
Yeah, we probably needed it about that long.
For sure.
Just wish they had radar.
Does Lewis still have the CTI program?
I'm not too sure about the ETC side of things.
Gotcha.
Sorry.
No worries.